Imagine being able to deliver breathtaking presentations, stunning cinematic experiences, or even immersive training sessions without the hassle of lamp replacements or expensive filter cleanings. The Optoma ZH406ST short throw full HD professional laser projector embodies the future of visual display technology, making it an indispensable solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. But what sets it apart from other projectors on the market? For too long, users have been plagued by the limitations of traditional lamp-based projectors, which required frequent replacements and maintenance. This not only added to operational costs, but also disrupted workflows and presentation timelines. Meanwhile, laser projectors have been touted as a more reliable alternative, but their high upfront costs and limited brightness options had yet to make them a mainstream choice. Enter the Optoma ZH406ST, which addresses these pain points head-on with its cutting-edge DuraCore laser light source. This revolutionary technology is built to last, boasting an impressive 30,000-hour lifespan and IPX6 dust resistance rating that ensures the optical engine remains robust and unscathed from dust ingress. With the ZH406ST, you can enjoy uninterrupted presentations, training sessions, and entertainment experiences for years to come. When you first lay eyes on the ZH406ST, it's clear that Optoma has prioritized both form and function. The projector's sleek and compact design exudes a sense of professional-grade engineering, making it an attractive addition to any presentation, office, or home theater setup. The sturdy build quality and durable materials used ensure that the device can withstand the rigors of frequent use and harsh environments. One of the standout features of the ZH406ST is its remarkable short-throw lens, capable of projecting a massive 120-inch image from just 4 feet 4 inches away. This innovative design not only opens up new possibilities for projector placement, but also makes it ideal for smaller spaces and easier setup. Whether you're a presenter, a teacher, or an event organizer, this level of flexibility is a game changer. Now, let's dive deeper into the ZH406ST's most significant features and what they mean for real-world users. The 4K HDR input technology built into this projector is a major differentiator, enabling a richer, more immersive viewing experience with HDR10 and HLG support. These cutting-edge features allow for brighter whites, deeper black levels, and a more precise color representation, making every image and video appear more lifelike and engaging. But what does this mean in practical terms? Let's say you're a presenter tasked with captivating a room full of attendees. The ZH406ST's 4K HDR capabilities ensure that every slide, image, and video you display is rendered in crystal clear detail, keeping your audience engaged and focused. Another crucial aspect of the ZH406ST is its network compatibility. This feature makes it easy to control and manage the projector remotely, eliminating the need for manual adjustments or tedious setup procedures. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to the world of projectors, the ZH406ST's user-friendly interface and seamless network integration make it a breeze to navigate and troubleshoot. To test the ZH406ST in real-world scenarios, imagine hosting a corporate event or training session. The projector's short-throw lens and 4K HDR capabilities that come into play as you present complex data, video content, or live demonstrations. With its impressive brightness and color accuracy, the ZH406ST is sure to deliver an exceptional viewing experience that leaves a lasting impression on your audience. However, every product has its trade-offs. The ZH406ST's laser light source, while incredibly reliable, does come with some limitations. For instance, the high upfront cost may be a barrier for some users, especially those who need to stay within a tight budget. Additionally, the projector's size and weight may not be suitable for ultra-portable applications or those who require a compact device for frequent travel. When compared to competing options, the Optoma ZH406ST stands out as a leader in its class. While other projectors may offer similar features or capabilities, The ZH406ST's unique blend of short throw technology, 4K HDR input, and network compatibility makes it a more versatile and practical solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, the Optoma ZH406ST short throw full HD professional laser projector is a cutting-edge solution that addresses the limitations of traditional projectors head-on. With its remarkable features, impressive build quality, and user-friendly design, this projector is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to deliver stunning presentations, immersive training experiences, or breathtaking entertainment displays. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, the Optoma ZH406ST is sure to exceed your expectations and solidify its position as a leader in the world of projectors. Investing in the Optoma ZH406ST is an investment in your future, ensuring that you can continue to deliver exceptional presentations, training sessions, and entertainment experiences without the hassle of lamp replacements or expensive filter cleanings. With its impressive 30,000-hour lifespan and IPX6 dust resistance rating, this projector is built to last and will continue to impress long after its initial purchase. Don't settle for anything less. Experience the future of projectors today